Well, happy Holi everyone. You're watching NDTV 24/7 and we're going to dip into all the colors and the festivities from across the country. And of course, Holi is different everywhere, though it's all about colors. The way we celebrate is completely different. So we're going to go across to our reporters who will be joining us from across the country. We have Bhairavi Singh who joins us from Delhi. We have Kate Kiangre who will also be joining us in a short while from now. We also have Nikita who joins us from Bombay. We'll take a look at all those celebrations. So let's begin with all the fun that is actually in Mathura. Well, of course, the celebrations there don't just begin today. They begin apparently 40 days earlier. So it's a riot. It's a big riot of colors. And here's what it looks like there. So these are the Holi celebrations from Mathura, where celebrations begin 40 days ahead of the main day, and the celebrations take place near the Holi gate. And if we look at what's happening in Almora in Uttarakhand, women get together and sing songs to celebrate the coming of spring. They gather in circles and continue to play Holi. In Jaisalmer, where many of our soldiers are stationed, they took time out from their schedules to celebrate Holi. And of course, the most colorful of all of us is Alok Pandey. Let's go across to him as he dips into all the colors and festivities.
Well, there cannot be any Holi in Banaras without a lot of song and dance, and that is exactly what we are doing here on the banks of the Ganga at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. Here in Banaras, we have singers, we have poets here who are bringing in the spirit of Holi. Let's just listen to what they are singing.
तो ना ही रंग गुलाल उड़त है, ना ही सात रंगोली रे, अरे ना ही सात रंगोली रे, ओ शिव ही सात रंगोली रे, ओ शिव ना खावे मेवा मिश्री, खावे भंग की गोली रे, खावे भंग की गोली रे, खावे भंग की गोली रे, तो कालों के भी महाकाल है, अरे कालों के भी महाकाल है, भावे भस्म की होली रे, सीता भस्म को अंग लपेटे खेले भाला होली रे।
आप क्या सुनाना चाह रहे हैं, मैं बताइए।
व्यंग सुनाएंगे। इस समय बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है कि अच्छे दिन आ गए। एक पत्नी अपने पति से किस तरह अच्छे दिन पर व्यंग करे कि एक पत्नी ने अरे अपने पति से बोला प्रिय हाट बाट करोगे कि बजट बनाओगे, अरे दिवाली तो सूखी बीती होली भी बिताओगे क्या, जन धन योजना सा हमें बहकाओगे, अरे एक छलिया ने घूम बंसी बजाया खूब, सत्ता में हम आएंगे तो अच्छे दिन लाएंगे, अरे उसी छलिया की तरह हमको छकाओगे तो अब की होली पर सुनो दखिला जाओगे।
और आप क्या सुनाना चाह रहे हैं?
मैं राजनीति पे सुनाना चाहूंगा कि होली में देवरा बउराइल हो, भौजी आवा पजरवा, ओहे रच रच के रंगवा लगाई हो, भौजी आवा पजरवा, पहले लालू मुलायम में पटरी न बैठे, जैसे पड़ोसिया हो पाक वाला ईंट है, भइल यूपी बिहार में सगाई हो, भौजी आवा पजरवा।
So I think that's the fun about Holi in Banaras, that you get to hear so many voices and you get to hear such fascinating things here. That's the good thing about this place, the fact that so many people are here celebrating Holi on the ghats of Banaras. And from everyone from our side also, very happy Holi to everyone who is watching. With camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey.
And not to mention, this is probably the only day we get to see Alok Pandey with a colorful little hat on his head. So here's our other reporters looking the way they are. I have to introduce them. I can barely recognize anybody. There's Nikita from Bombay, there's Kate Kiangre in Delhi, and there's Bhairavi also in Delhi. They're all smiling. I can't recognize any of you. Happy Holi, guys. So I hope you're having fun. Nikita, let me come to you first. I just saw what Alok Pandey got. He was talking about Achhe Din and he was in Varanasi. So how are people celebrating there?
Yeah, Alok's giving out a political message there, but I'm in Mumbai and they have a little performance for us. But before we get to that, I'm going to speak to them. Priyanka, what is it about Holi that you like the most? You're from the Dance Academy.
Yes, right. The thing that I like about Holi is that it's a festival of colors. It's celebrated only in India, which is not there in any other countries. And we get to be a child. I'm a daughter of a 9-year-old girl, but I get to be a child on this day and enjoy the festival with my colors, differences, and all are resolved on this day, and we enjoy. So happy Holi to you!
Happy Holi to you! What is it about you want to give out a message through your dance?
Yeah, the very first message we want to give, we use only colors and no water, and this is how we are going to express our feelings through dance.
Okay, great. Let's get to that. There you have it, Kulsum. A dance performance for us on the occasion of Holi. Lots of color and lots of excitement coming from Mumbai.
Right, Nikita, next time I want you part of that dance, so just prepare and rehearse for it, so we'll come back to you. Let's quickly go across to Ketki Angde. Well, Ketki, when you're talking about Delhi, you can't leave the political colors of Holi aside, can you?
Well, that's right, and we are at Ramvilas Paswan's house, and just a short while ago, Chirag Paswan was dunked in this tank that you can see around here. Chirag Paswan, of course, you've talked, he's also been a part of the film industry, which is also one of the reasons we're not going to let him go this easily. Chirag Paswan, Bollywood has a very special place in Holi, and in that sense, when you talk about Bollywood, songs can't be far behind.
Songs surely can be far behind, and no matter how cliche it might sound, but I think Rang Barse Bhige Chunar Wali has become a synonym to Holi. So whenever we think of Holi, that's the only song that comes to our mind.
So surely going to sing for us?
I am a very, very bad singer, but all my friends and my relatives, if they'll join me, so we can definitely put in a word. Rang Barse Bhige Chunar Wali, Rang Barse. रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. Happy Holi.
We saw quite a dunking match going on there. You were among the first to go into that pool.
Oh yes, this is I think our all-time favorite, and this goes on till early evening, almost till sunset. All my friends and my relatives and my cousins, the minute they come in, this is the first thing they have to go and visit. So yeah, it's a part of the whole setup.
And you also said you're a hardcore Bihari when it comes to Holi. What does that mean?
I'm a hardcore Bihari, yes. I mean, I love Holi to the core. I play Holi in every possible manner, even if it comes to playing Holi with mud or kichad as you call it. When it comes to that, I do that also.
Alright, we'll let Chirag and his cousins enjoy their Holi as they continue with their dunking matches. But yes, there's also Rajnath Singh, the Home Minister of the country, who also celebrated Holi here in the capital, Ramvilas Paswan, also the other location in Delhi where the political Holi is very famous. Back to you, Kulsum.
Right, Ketki, thanks very much for that. Let's go across to Bhairavi Singh, who joins us also from another part of Delhi, CR Park. Bhairavi, what's it looking like? Is there as much noise out there?
Well, absolutely, Kulsum. The day started in a slightly, light note because of the rain and a little bit of chill. But we are here in CR Park in South Delhi, and lots of families are celebrating. And this particular family, right from the oldest to the youngest, uncle is 92 years old, and there's the whole family here. The kids are here. Everybody is celebrating. You tell us. I see a little bit of a dry Holi this time.
That's because you guys and the camera is here. Remove the camera, we'll make it a very nice wet Holi.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what is it that you guys, all of you, like the most about Holi?
The colors.
The colors.
Yes.
Colors, yeah.
The mithais, the colors,
getting
the family
together, enjoying.
Yeah. And you, I don't see any color on you. Aapne khela nahi Holi?
I play.
You play? But this pichkari hasn't gone on anyone abhi tak. Aapne isse to pani dala nahi kisi ko?
डाला है तो खाली है.
And what about all of you? This is a whole family occasion now, and we've seen a lot of people coming in. Can you tell us, like, what is the most special thing about Holi?
It's a get-together. It's a colorful festival. We enjoy.
And auntie, how many Holis have you seen?
हम तो मम्मी हैं
86
सबका मम्मी है
86 Holis. So Kulsum, from 86 Holis to this boy here who's just about 5 years old, the whole family's come together, and of course celebrating Holi here in CR Park in South Delhi.
Okay, Bhairavi, one question for you. Why are you behaving? This is one day you can let go. Why are you acting? Why are you behaving? I need to see more color on you, Bhairavi.
We warned them about the camera, that's why it's a bit of a dry Holi for us. Otherwise, we would have been wet.
Okay, I'll let you go. Thanks very much for joining us. So it's a day. Holi comes on Friday, so it's a long weekend. A lot of people can afford to have a lot more color and spend time getting it off later. And it's a huge weekend, so to speak. So there's some shots that we're also getting of all politicians celebrating Holi here. Shivraj Singh Chauhan with his family. Apparently he's singing too. Let's listen in.